करे ना। मजदूरी का काम करता हूँ 6 घंटे।
He is saying he is doing a work of labor since morning to evening, approximately 6 hours. He earned 300 rupees daily, and they are very poor and belongs to a poor family, and approximately they are 6 to 8 members in a family. Then 300 rupees is not enough for their expenses.
गवर्नमेंट को भी मदद नहीं करती है, मिस्किन हैं लोग, को कमाते हैं खाते हैं, नहीं है कमाई चुप करके बैठते हैं, गरीब लोग हैं भी कहाँ जाएं।
They're compelled to live here, and even if these 300 rupees per day is not enough, but they're compelled to live here. This is their country. They cannot move outside out of the country or go somewhere else. They have to earn here and live here.
बच्चों को बहुत ही पढ़ने का शौक़ है, तो इसलिए बच्चों को जब मैंने कहा था मैं यहाँ स्कूल खोलना चाहती हूँ, तो इसलिए बच्चे यहाँ पर आने लगे धीरे धीरे से। और उनको बुक्स वगैरह जो भी देती हूँ तो वो खुश हो जाते हैं बहुत। यहाँ बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत गरीब है, इनको ज़्यादातर ही आप बुक वगैरह सब दोगे, फराम करोगे, तो इसलिए बच्चे ज़्यादा यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाते, तो ज़्यादा कठिन यहाँ पर हो जाएगी।
यहाँ पर स्कूल नहीं है, यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे बच्चे हैं जो पढ़ते नहीं हैं। यहाँ पर जो स्कूल है घग्गर फाटक के में है, यहाँ पर नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें बच्चों को कोई सहूलत नहीं है यहाँ पर। और यहाँ पर कोई छपरा या वगैरह कोई ऐसी चीज़ और अच्छा होगा। और बच्चे काफ़ी आज भी नहीं आए, नहीं तो बच्चे यहाँ पर ज़्यादा भीड़ लगी होती है।
Obviously, there are a lot of hygiene problems and sanitation problem here because the water is really contaminated, which is used in these areas. Our hospitals are located in these remote areas so that even if somebody gets ill or gets a disease or something, we can provide them basic health facilities and we can treat those patients. They don't have to travel far away.
child which you have seen, when she came first time, she identified as a severe acute malnourished child. Now it's improved, but still the weight she didn't get, so still like the team is keeping him in the OTP category. It's a therapeutic and supplement food through which we can improve the nutritional status of the child.
Sometimes we have seen here the beneficiaries who have come along with their brothers. The main reason behind this is because their mothers and their fathers are busy in the fair and the agriculture. Because right now, there is a peak season of the crops. This site is situated in district Badin, where it received the 3 floods and 3 times in 3 years.
And in 2011, there was a survey conducted by different agencies. 17.5% GAM ratio identified, and 17.5% pregnant and lactating women identified as a malnourished.
Most of the crops have been devastated, and the main source of the income is the agriculture. The reason of the high malnourished is the lack of the agriculture crops.
Nah, mati tidak biar. Aduh गर्मी. Nah, ngapain nah. Bas. नाम लिखा रहा नाम देखिए नाम लिखा रहा दे
We are in Suleiman Kakiju village. We are fortunate we have meet with 2 lady health workers. She is Jiandi and she is Aisha, and they both are working from 2002. They have aim in their life to be a lady health worker. They want to work for their community. No, they are not afraid because they are familiar with this area and with this community, so they have no afraid to work in this community.